Welcome, futurists and tech enthusiasts, to your go-to roundup on all things AI, weekly AI Digest. We break down the latest in artificial intelligence. Hit that subscribe button to join our journey into tomorrow. Today, we have got a bunch of exciting AI news to share. Let's get started. In a world where you can't trust everything that you see online, a new wave of concern has hit us. A deepfake video featuring Indian actress Rashmika Mandanna has gone viral, sparking a lot of worry about the dangers of this growing tech. For the next minute, let's dig into the messy world of deepfakes and the ethical storm they have kicked up. Deepfakes, which combine deep learning, a type of AI, with the idea of fake, are videos or images where someone's face is swapped with another person's. AI has gotten so good at this that it's hard to tell real from fake. But as the saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. The fuss over Mandanna's deepfake video opens up tough questions about this tech. It's a loud wake-up call about how it could invade privacy, ignore consent, and be misused for spreading lies or even messing with politics. Reacting to the fuss, India's tech minister has highlighted the urgent need for digital rules that balance new technology with protecting people's rights. The big issue is making laws that guard against digital impersonation but also allows the good uses of AI. This balance is tricky. As we move towards a future filled with more AI, the need for clear digital ethics is becoming stronger. It's not just about setting rules for technology, but also about creating a space where technology helps us without breaking our ethical and moral grounds. What do you think about the increase of deepfakes? How should we deal with these digital issues? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's continue this important talk. We have only begun to touch on this complex issue in our chat. One thing is clear, staying aware and talking about it will guide us as we navigate these new digital waters. Stick around as we dive deeper into the world of AI and what it means for us. Moving to the bustling lanes of tech innovation, we've got a hot story from the startup world. Binny Bansal of Flipkart fame is making moves into the AI scene. In the next 60 seconds, we are jumping into this big shift that's got the tech community buzzing. Picture the power of machine learning and AI joining forces to build a platform that could push the limits of what technology can do. This isn't just a new startup, it's a tale of reinvention and insight. Binny Bansal is taking his business savvy into the AI venture that could change how we use AI for big solutions. We don't know all details yet, but the word is that this new company might use AI to solve big problems in many areas. Think of how this could change things, from making supply chains smarter to personalizing education, or making energy use more efficient to transforming healthcare. The possibilities are endless. This is about sparking innovation, inspiration for new entrepreneurs and tech thinkers everywhere. Bansal's step into AI could start a new tech business era where AI is real force behind new ideas. And it's more than just tech talk. With Bansal leading, we expect a culture of creativity, speed, and top-notch work. It's about teams that dream big and innovate boldly. We can't wait to hear more about this AI venture. What innovations are you hoping to see from this new startup? Tell your high-tech hopes in the comments. If you're excited about the edge of tech and innovation, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Coming up, we have got more AI breakthroughs you'll want to hear about. Keep watching AI Weekly Digest. Tech fans, get ready. OpenAI's Dev Day 2023 has brought us some big news in AI that's both smart and responsible. In the next minute, let's unwrap the big reveals from Sam Altman and what they mean for the AI world. Big news, the launch of turbo versions of ChatGPT 4 and ChatGPT 3.5, a developer's dream. ChatGPT 4 Turbo is especially quick and cost-effective. Imagine AI models that can take in whole books and are filled with the latest internet information, ready to make our online lives smarter. The partnership between OpenAI and Microsoft is reaching new levels, with big plans to improve Microsoft tools and shake up the search game. It's a team up that's set to spread AI smart everywhere. OpenAI is also making AI more accessible with the GPT Store to get customized chat agents and an assistant API to put OpenAI Smart into all sorts of products. They are not just creating AI, they are building a community where everyone can get involved. But with all this power, we have got to be responsible. OpenAI knows the world's challenges and is pushing for gradual, careful release of AI. They are also started the Copyright Shield program, which helps users avoid legal trouble and encourages a safe space for AI to grow. We are at the start of an era that's not just about big changes, but also about being thoughtful. What do you think about mixing innovation with ethics in AI? Share your views in below. Moving on, L&T Technology Services and Google Cloud are teaming up in a partnership that's super exciting for AI and cloud space. Let's take a minute to see how this partnership is more than just working together. It's about a shared vision for a smarter, more connected world. L&T's deep engineering know how meet Google Cloud's advanced AI tools. They aim to open up new changes in data analysis, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. This could really shake up the way businesses work with smart AI insights and the speed of the cloud at their service. Picture cities getting smarter from data, factories tuning themselves for better work, or healthcare systems pretending needs before they happen. This partnership could really redefine innovation in many areas. What does this mean for the creators, the builders of tomorrow's tech? It means a world of opportunity, with AI and cloud as their tools and a whole bunch of new ways to create solutions once thought as of futuristic. We are on the edge of a change we are creating isn't just faster, it's totally new. We are keeping an eye on the partnership and will keep you posted on the latest. To not miss how this unfolds, hit that subscribe button. Join us as we track the exciting journey of AI in our world. Elon Musk, known for his trailblazing projects, is making waves with his latest dive into artificial intelligence with Grok AI. This AI system, inspired by The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, is here to do more than just answer questions. It's here to provoke thought and add a dash of humor to the AI world. Grok AI stands out because it combines smarts with a playful attitude, going beyond the usual chatbot experience. It's made to tackle tricky questions with a bit of fun. Although it's already doing well in certain areas like middle school maths, it's still catching up to the likes of ChatGPT 4 in other ways. Right now, Grok AI is still in the early stages, with a few people in the US getting a first look. But Musk has big plans for its growth, and as a part of his X platform's Premium Plus services, this puts Grok AI at the center of a big conversation about jobs and AI's role in our future. Musk recently suggested to the UK Prime Minister that AI might one day take over all jobs, making work as we know it a thing of a past. This bold prediction is sparking a worldwide debate about what AI could mean for society. Now let's take a quick trip around the world to see the big moves in AI. Starting with Ant Group in China, they've just got the go-ahead to bring their AI product to the people. With their AI tech bailing, they are making a splash in a place known for its tough rules on tech. On another front, Kai Fu Lee, a big name in AI, is shaking things up with his startup 01.ai. They have launched a new AI model that's tailored for Chinese languages and culture. Even though they are smaller than the tech giants, they are already showing off some impressive skills, proving China is stepping up in AI. Zooming out, the Bletchley Declaration from the UK is a big deal for AI safety, with 28 countries agreeing to work together on AI transparency and safety. This historic move shows that countries are getting serious about making sure AI is used wisely and safely. As we see these stories unfold, we are watching a global change in AI, from new rules to fresh faces in the market, all shaping a future where tech and progress move together. Stick with us for more deep dives into these topics in future episodes. And that's our show for today. We have gone from deepfake drama to a new tech pioneer and tackled some big ideas about AI's future in our lives. AI is not just a part of the story, it's writing a brand new chapter for all of us. Don't miss out on any of the action. Subscribe and hit the bell to stay in the loop with the story of AI. Until we meet again. Keep asking questions, keep learning, and keep tuning into AI Weekly Digest. Let's discover the future of AI together. Be part of our weekly tech journey and help unlock the mysteries of tomorrow. Subscribe, hit like, and share our stories to join in shaping the AI landscape.